It's a great blizzard of aught 7. Aught 10. It's December 26th. We're expecting 16 inches of snow. Here I am in Forest Hills. And it's snowing. Hey, Mom.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
What do you think of the snow?
Oh, beautiful.
It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, though.
Yeah. But at least in the ice.
How many inches do we have so far?
Like maybe 3.
Yeah?
3.
Ah. Wow. It's coming down heavy.
La otra chaqueta.
Walking down here is gonna suck.
You talking to me or the camera?
To both.
Oh.
Because they don't shovel here.
No, todo está cerrado.
Yeah. It's pretty, well, from what I can see.
Yeah.
When the wind isn't blowing, I can see.
But look, it's so nice. That Christmas is coming. With the snow, it's nice. I like
See,
it.
it would have been nice if it was like this on Christmas and we could have had a snowball fight.
Yeah. Ay, a ver, yo hago eso y tú te llevas esa cerveza.
Sí, pero eso cuesta.
Ah, no me importa, yo sé cómo esto.
Ok, pero se va a caer. Tómalo. ¿Y qué? ¿Y qué más?
Eso.
¿La bolsa también?
¿Ah?